Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your grocery budget with Walmart step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current grocery budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend each week or month. Create a detailed list of essential items you need. Use Walmart's online grocery list feature for convenience. Check weekly ads and promotions for discounts on your favorites. Sign up for Walmart's savings programs, like Walmart Plus for additional benefits. Download the Walmart app to track your spending and find additional savings. Take advantage of store brand products that offer quality at a lower price. Consider shopping during off-peak hours to avoid busy crowds and stress. Always bring your shopping list to help stick to your budget. Use price matching to ensure you're getting the best deal available. Explore the clearance section for great deals on marked down items. Incorporate seasonal fruits and vegetables to save money and eat fresh. Buy in bulk for non-perishable items to reduce costs over time. Utilize Walmart's pickup and delivery options for easy shopping. Review your purchases regularly to identify spending habits. Make adjustments to your shopping list based on your observations. Look for coupons or cashback offers before finalizing your purchase. Plan meals around what's on sale to maximize savings. Stay disciplined and avoid impulse buys by sticking to your list. With these steps, you can effectively protect your grocery budget while shopping at Walmart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.